Avalanche is seeing some moves up today with even more bullish sentiment in the cards. Let me show you where I think it's going to go. First, taking a look at the Trade Confident LLC website, scrolling down to the Avalanche metrics here. First up is the Avalanche Emotional Index, and you can see we have just pushed up into neutral territory. This isn't really bullish or bearish on its own. We can see that we did get a price movement up with that, and that is very typical for this metric. At this point, what I'm going to be looking for is for this blue line to push up into excited territory. And just like it did over here, I would be expecting a move down at that point. But until then, as we saw here, I'm expecting a price move up. I think this could continue, but let's take a look at the rest of the metrics to see where. Next up, and this one is really important to pay attention to, short trades have dropped out of the market in recent days. This does correlate a little bit to that move up in price. At the same time, long trades are vastly higher in volume than short trades overall, so this is bullish for the long run. In the short term, though, that little drop in short trades correlated to a good move up in price. If we see those short trades continue to drop out, I think the price is going to continue rising. Next up, let me show you this. The Avalanche Smart Money chart is showing that whales are predominantly taking long trades. Very likely at this point in the market, whales are looking to take long trades because they're overall, while we did see a price move up and we did see the lower sentiment to coordinate with that, overall, we saw the lowest price for Avax in this bear market so far. Because of this, whales are likely taking those long trades. Sentiment has dropped out and could move to short trades soon, but I think it could take a day or two before that happens. But right now, long trades are in. Next up, take a look at the volatility breakout detector. We're seeing higher volatility in the market. Typically, periods of low volatility, as we saw here, see larger movements in the market following that. Low volatility means low trading volume, so as soon as a larger amount of trading volume comes in, it can spike the price in either direction. And we did see that happen. As higher volatility came in, the price spiked up. Next, and pay attention to this one, it'll be relevant in the video later on. We have strong structure resistance at about the $11.45 mark. Around the $12 mark works too. And the next one is $14.36. Remember those two structure resistances, 1144 and 1436. Last but not least, I wanted to show you the daily trade scanner. We did recently get a strong buy signal that immediately saw a move up. We are getting close to structure resistance, as you saw, so we will be looking for sell signals likely around this area. Now, it may be another week or so before I'm able to take a look at this coin, so if you want to be able to watch for that sell signal yourself, you got to grab a membership at the link in the description. Once you click it, it'll bring you to this page right here. Just sign up and you get access to many benefits, and I'll get more into detail later on. For now, let's check out the live data. Right now, we're looking at Avalanche on the one-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. What we're seeing right now is price versus while money flow is still in the middle of its chart here at a value of 40. Trend exhaustion hit its lower red section, has begun moving up. While we are at structure resistance right here, we do have plenty of bullish sentiment in the market, especially with a strong buy signal, price versus while money flow low, and trend exhaustion low. When we see these three signals here align, especially with a strong buy signal, that's when we're looking for big or even really big movements in the market. Let's take a look at where it could go. First up, I told you to remember 1144. Let's get it exact in here. 1144. And I told you to remember 1436 right here. Let's get it exact. Exactness is always nice in crypto. So at this point, you can see the price is testing structure resistance at 1144 right now. Next, if it breaks, I think it's very possible, just because the price versus while money flow has so much room to move up. Last peak was right about here, and that was at 67. We have plenty of room for that move up. Trend exhaustion has plenty of room to move up. Once we do see the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion top out, the price will likely be much higher and could have already tested 1436. At any point in this range, though, we are going to be looking for a sell signal. Once we see price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and a sell signal, that's when we would be looking to exit the market with Avalanche. Overall, from where the current price sits, this correlates to up to a 27% move up. This would be an absolutely incredible move for Avax, and I have to say it will take some time. This isn't like a crazy flash pump or anything like that, but if we do start seeing bullish momentum in the market, and a lot of coins actually are, we could see Avax hit $14.36. If we do get rejected right here from $11.44, we could try and test structure support at $10.54. Overall, though, I think a move up is more likely, so that's what we're going to be looking out for. With that, if you want to get access to this live data, as I told you, we won't be able to cover this coin for at least another week. Be sure to grab the indicators at the links in the description. It'll bring you to the indicator page here. In order to get the best possible deal, you're going to want to purchase the bundle pack first. You'll get 9 indicators in that bundle pack and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Now, buying all 11 of our indicators using that $400 off coupon is cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder by itself. So if you want to get access to all of our incredible indicators, that's the route I recommend. Now, if you're a more casual trader, allow us to do the work for you. The Morning Brew overview is where we post crucial updates every single morning for your convenience. This is yesterday's just to preserve all of the value for our members, but it'll show you the top and worst performing coins of the day, crucial news for that day. It'll show you the values of the breakout detector and all of the strong buy, sell, and strong sell signals for that day. That way you don't have to do any of the work. We do it for you guys. With that, if you want to get access to the membership, be sure to sign up at the link below. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.